Very banned to planning to TikTok in the Philippines, in America, because last weeks and months now all over the world. Because how are you earning money to affiliate business about this product is very cool of destroyed because internet laundering in the Philippines, our country is very cheap price, diba? Alam niyo na yon because Woolworth is traded to America, electronic in China and over here to around the globe. So TikTok is very planning to ban because this is right. So, kaya naman nagkakaroon kita ang mga tao sa TikTok o earning dahil yan sa mga sponsor o mga abuloy ng iba-ibang bansa o the club's economy o anything or whatever the poor rich people or display to apps para kumita lahat ng tao dito in the first place. Ako hindi ako kumikita sa mga TikTok na to kaya hindi ko ito gusto. But preparing because I hate because information the crisis going to the earth in wars is wrong meaning and wrong explanation and wrong Bible anything equal for content as our video is dead fake is really fake not right. So I searched liberties is big moment is really bad. Kaya yung mga insect na gumagamit kayo ng iba-ibang artificial for television what they're going to purpose on TikTok. Anong gusto nyong marating? Kakalabanin yung mga expert na about your good intelligence get to our apps and information to our world. And right? No. That's not right. So follow the subscribe and the last moment. Kaya kayo sa yung people, tanggalin nyo yung video, no? Ilipat nyo na lang sa ibang apps platform for YouTube channel. Sa YouTube, hindi na yata kumikita, di ba? Because all people escape the blog. For fake news lang ang before here na Philippines to Marcos into 30. Kaya, yan na yan. Strong report. Hindi kayo mag-apply sa government. Mag-apply kayo ng trabaho sa restaurant, office, banking. Nakapag-aral naman kayo, di ba? Gamitin nyo yan. Hindi online kayo sa TikTok. Hindi naman talaga TikTok business. Itong TikTok na to ay time. For the moment, it's not right. Gamitin yung pinag-aralan nyo, pinag-aralan ng mga magulang yung gastos, mag-apply ka ng ibang trabaho. O, diba? Ako nga, hindi nga ako nagtitiktok para mag-earning, kumita ng pera. Namamasukan ako para kumita ng pera. Hindi ako gagamit ang isang apps para lang madali ang yaman for bad words and anything display to the ending wild videos to shine the world about abuse because I'm good, right, and not good. No, it's not good. Our guidelines of profit. This moment is really touch in you. I know you're very healed because your acts like that. No problem, you're very not well. Bye.